Hey everyone! Let's be real. A boring office can seriously kill your vibe. Who wants to work in a dull space that feels about as inspiring as a blank wall, right? So if you're ready to ditch the office blahs and create a workspace that's both stylish and functional, you are in the right place. Get ready for some serious home office glow up. We're diving into the hottest trends of 2025. Discover home office furniture design, organization hacks, and cozy office setup ideas that make your space inspiring. Trust me, you'll be thanking me later when you're actually excited to get to work in the morning. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about those video calls. We all have them. And let's be honest, nobody wants to be that person with the awkward, cluttered background. Upgrade your backdrop with some stylish wall decor. Think sleek shelves with plants, statement art pieces that show off your personality, or even a cool gallery wall. Remember, your background is like prime real estate in the digital world. Make it count. Short on space? No problem. Having a small home office doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. Multifunctional furniture is your new best friend. Think a desk that doubles as a dining table or chic storage ottomans. And don't forget about those vertical vibes. Utilize those walls with floating shelves and wall-mounted organizers. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder, especially when it comes to small spaces. Okay, let's talk about the heart of your home office, your desk. Whether you're all about that minimalist life, love a touch of feminine charm, or thrive in a creative, colorful space, there's a desk aesthetic out there waiting for you. For my minimalist queens, keep it sleek and simple with clean lines, a neutral color palette, and minimal clutter. If you love all things feminine, think soft pastels, floral accents, and maybe even a cute, comfy throw. And if you're a creative spirit, don't be afraid to go bold. Mix and match colors, patterns, and textures. Your desk should be a reflection of you and your unique style. Feeling stuck on the overall design of your home office? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Open floor plans are still super trendy, creating a light and airy feel. But if you prefer a bit more privacy, consider a stylish room divider. And let's not forget about color. Warm neutrals like beige and taupe are having a major moment, creating a calming and sophisticated vibe. But if you're all about that pop of color, go for it. Remember, this is your space to design and enjoy. Who says decorating your home office has to break the bank? Not this girl. DIY projects are a fun and affordable way to add your personal touch. Get crafty with some washi tape and add a pop of color to your desk accessories. Or repurpose old jars into stylish storage for pens, pencils, or even plants. And if you're feeling extra creative, why not try your hand at creating your own wall art? Remember, the possibilities are endless, so get creative and have fun with it. Let's talk about those finishing touches, those little details that really elevate your home office game. First up, invest in a chic desk lamp. Trust me, good lighting is everything. Next, a stylish set of organizers will keep all your essentials in check and your desk clutter-free. And don't forget about a comfortable and supportive chair. You're going to be spending a lot of time in it, so make sure it's good for your back. Finally, add some personality with fun accessories like a cute coffee mug, a stylish notebook, or a small plant. So there you have it. Those are the hottest home office decor trends of 2025. Remember, your workspace should be a reflection of you and your unique style, so have fun with it. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things until you create a space that you absolutely love. And hey, if you're looking for some amazing pieces to complete your home office makeover, be sure to check out our store, where you can buy the items from this video. We've got everything you need to create a stylish and functional workspace. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing workspace inspiration and decor tips. Until next time, happy decorating!